Hong Kong. City of this, and this, and this. It's our first time in Hong Kong and we kick things off by visiting one of the most popular tourist attractions. Getting lost in the city and try as much local food as we can get our grubby little hands on. It's sort of like if meat was jelly and they had a baby. What? And you're coming with us. Well, you don't have to. We're not going to force you. Just, you know, come if you want. I don't know.
We are in Hong Kong!
Hey! And we've come into the centre of Hong Kong today. We got the tube in. They don't call it that.
MRT.
I'm sure. MRT.
Yeah.
Okay. Yep. And we got octopus cards, which are 50 Hong Kong dollars deposit. And then you top them up with other money.
Well, duh.
Yeah, I think it was 30 to get in, so it's very reasonably priced.
Yeah, it's like 22 Hong Kong dollars. And I'm really upset because on the octopus card, I sort of imagined it would be like, you know, a Japanese train card where they have like cute designs and stuff. So I expected like a really friendly, like pink octopus, like looking all happy, but there's nothing on it. It's plain.
Sad times. Yeah, we're going to have some good food. We're going to go to Victoria Peak later, and we'll keep you posted.
Tram to get up to Victoria Peak, so really excited to see the view. We made it to the peak. There wasn't a lot of walking involved because it was tram and then a lot of escalators inside a building, so that's what I like. It's a really, really cool viewpoint.
Yeah, it's really beautiful behind us. It's quite a clear day. It's a little bit misty, but looks really nice all the same. There's a lot of people here trying to sell you photos. And
we had a mini photo shoot with the photography guy. That was quite fun. I don't know if we'll buy the photos.
There's a huge sort of council estate looking complex in the background that is worthy of Darth Vader living in, that's called Wonderland. So I don't know if they're taking the mickey with that, but yeah, that's quite amusing. So we've got two teas, one is bitter and one is sweet. They say that bitter is better, and it's really good when you've had lots of barbecue food. So yeah, I'm going to give the bitter one a try. Oh wow, they weren't joking, it's bitter. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh, it's got like a second wave that hits you. The first wave is quite bitter, and then you get just like, oh, okay, it's subsiding now. Oh, here it comes again.
A few moments later.
And it smells a bit like licorice almost, so I'm going to give it a try. Oh wow. That is quite bitter. It catches your throat and it's like, ah. So, yeah, I mean, it's cool to try. Some fish balls from a street food vendor. So I'm going to give one of these a try. They're made with fish and flour. It looks really good. It's got some like curry on it. Oh, a little bit spicy. It's really good. Really nice texture. It's like firm but soft. Very spicy. But really tasty. It doesn't taste strong or anything like that. Really, really nice. And then I've got some with shumai. Some little dumplings. So usually these are in a restaurant, they're made with pork, but when it's street food, it's made with fish. So I'm gonna give one of these a try. It looks real good. Oh, it's really nice. Okay, in Hong Kong, fish balls, shumai from the street food, really, really good.
Got some offal. So yeah, cow intestines, I think. Give these a try. Looks drippingly delicious. Oh, look at it wobble. Oh, look at that. Oh, beautiful. Down the hatch. Cheers. Oh, it's so wobbly.
No! God, please, no! No!
It's sort of like if meat was jelly and they had a baby.
What?
That's what that tastes like. And it had some sort of like, almost like a marmitey taste. Yeah. I don't know whether I like this. I'm glad I've tried it, but it's very strange.
I've also got some smelly tofu. So it doesn't sound appetizing from the name, but I'm gonna give it a try. So let's give this a go. Okay. I don't know what it tastes like. It's quite strong. Maybe a bit like strong cheese or something. I'm probably not a fan of the smelly tofu. Went and ate some pretty amazing dessert. I had some souffle pancakes, which were so spongy and amazing, just really, really light, and yeah, it was pretty awesome. I really enjoyed that.
I had some black waffles, which are charcoal waffles, which just taste like waffles, but they were very good. Had lots of cream and matcha ice cream, because you can't get that in the UK, and I feel like it would be sacrilege if I came to Asia and didn't have matcha ice cream, because it is mega delicious. So yeah, if you haven't tried it, get that. It's amazing. Green tea ice cream sounds disgusting, but it's actually really good.
We had a really good day out in Hong Kong. Nice to explore, eat some cool things. We ate some really different things that we've never tried before, which was nice. And now I'm super tired, so I want to go home and sleep.
Heading home, so see you next time. Peace.